Take your FPV drone precision flying to the next level with this 3-step guide. Firstly, start to practice flying inside trees. Look for a big wide tree with some open space in the middle and practice slow precision flying around tree branches. Be very gentle on the throttle, because this tight environment will force you to learn how to control your drone by doing micro adjustments with your sticks. Moving on, once you're comfortable flying inside the tree, it's time to challenge yourself in a new environment. Find an abandoned place or an empty stable, old factory, or something similar where you will continue practicing precision flying. And lastly is to do cinewhoop chasing with your friends. It's a fun and effective way to quickly learn how to follow subjects. Start in an open grass field, then move on to fly inside trees, and finally challenge yourself somewhere indoors. So if you want to,